Let's make okra soup, family. This soup goes well with any kind of swallow of choice, in my own opinion. And this method I'll be showing is just one out of the many ways I make this soup. Welcome back, lovely family. To my washed beef and chicken, I added onion, grounded pepper and toasted uziza seeds, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Then I mix together to combine and set on the fire to cook. I love the flavor toasted uziza seeds adds to soups when I use them. I always allow my proteins to cook with its own water for the first 10 minutes before adding water. This method allows your proteins to absorb all the spices you've used and results in a tasty protein. I then added some stock fish fillet and dry fish when my proteins were fully cooked and added more water to cook through. You can always use any protein of choice to make this soup and it will still come out very tasty. When all my proteins were fully cooked, I took them out and set the stock aside. In a pot, I added palm oil, and to that I added onion, and then I fried the onion until it was fragrant. I then added iru and stirred to combine. Then added scotch bonnet pepper and stirred to combine. Then I went in with my stock, crayfish, seasoning cubes. I then gave that a good stir and then added salt to taste. Stirred again to combine and then added the sliced okra. I stirred everything together to combine properly. I turned down the heat at this point because I did not want to overcook my okra. I then added back my proteins, stirred together to combine. And then went in with my spinach. At this point, I turned off my heat. I stirred everything together again to combine and then went in with my roasted fish. I gave that a good mix and yeah, soup is ready to be consumed. Will you be trying this method? Please let me know in the comment section. And what swallow would you be trying it with? I had mine with eba. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.